How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo, and today I'm bringing y'all some new LED headlights, and these have been sent to me by Auxito, and thanks Auxito for sending these out. But you know me, I don't bullshit. I only get the best of the best, and when I saw these, I decided to work with them because I don't like the cheap LED bulbs. I see my GTR lightings are about 200 bucks. These are not as quite expensive, and it doesn't have to be that expensive to be good. But my main thing is I like plug and play, and I like a good engineered headlights. So let's go ahead and open the box and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so the first thing you notice is the packaging. It's thick cardboard. It's just nicely done. And if they're cheap bulbs, nobody's gonna put cheap bulbs in a nice package. The package would cost more than the bulbs themselves. But yeah, these are just it's a pretty good package. And let's see. So of course you got your manual on how to install them. Again, I said these are just plug and play. You don't have to do any modifications to your housing or anything like that, or it doesn't have any wiring hooked up. It's just like the factory halogen bulbs. As you can see, for us, they are the H4s. So I mean, it's all aluminum. That's first of all. It has a nice touch, nice weight to it, and the engineering behind it for the H4 bulbs are pretty accurate to the halogen bulbs. So I'm excited to see how these work. I mean, these are different than the GTR lighting, because the only thing that's different is just it has a fan in there. But because these are 12,000 lumens, they're a lot brighter than the GTR lighting bulbs, and they're really well made. I'm surprised, to be honest with you. I knew they were good engineering, but these are pretty well made. I can't wait to put them on. All right, everyone, I'm gonna have a link in the description for these, and also because Halloween's coming, I'm gonna give y'all a discount code. It's MOWAHIDI. I'll put it down in the screen. And also it's 15% discount, so if you order these you get 15% off. So don't wait, go get them, pick them up. So the purpose of bulbs, guys, is to be able to see, and also to make sure that it is safe for the other drivers, so you don't blind them. So not every LED bulb you're gonna put is gonna be safe for other drivers and not blind them. I mean, I could stand in front of these and won't get blinded. But let's go ahead and put them on, and I'll show you how bright they are and how good they are. Again, it's simple. All you need to do, just unplug the plug down there, just like you would change your regular headlight bulbs. Take the dust cover off. It's a little tight in there. I have fat fingers, so. All right, as you can see, the GTR lighting and the Auxito lighting, and how much of similarities they have. And to be honest with you, I'm surprised, because the heat got to the GTR lighting. They actually starting to discolor. So I'm gonna see how this will hold up as far as with the fan, keep it cool, because my boot actually melted a little bit from the heat. So this all attaches, and because of the heat, melted it and ripped it. So it's not a big deal. I mean, it's just the boot. I can replace that. But yeah, that was surprising to see. So let's get these on, and we'll see the difference. So I got it on. I'm not putting the dust boot on. I just want to run it and see how everything is. But you just do the same to the other side, and yeah, and that should be it. So let's go, and once it gets dark, I'll show you all the comparison between one and the other. All right, so here's the comparison of the Auxito light. This is my corner lights and my middle yellow lights, and this is my low beams. As you can see, it is really good. The left is the GTR lighting, and the right is the Auxito. As you can see, the Auxito is a lot brighter than the GTR lighting, but the beam pattern is what I'm mostly concerned of. It got a straight beam pattern. It does not reflect like all the way to the right or anywhere in oncoming traffic where they can't see, or blinds them or scatters the light. So for the fraction of the price, you know, you're getting a really good LED bulb compared to the GTR lighting. I wish I would have known about Auxito before I got the GTR lighting, because I could have saved money there. But as you can see, the comparison is, you know, the right is Auxito again, and then the left is the GTR lighting, and this is the high beam. It's brighter and got the same beam pattern. So I'm gonna have a 15% discount code for y'all. It's MOWAHIDI. I'll put it down in the description, and also put it down on the screen. Yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all next video.